Good evening. Welcome to my vlog. How is your day today? Today is Sunday. It's a family day. Did you able to spend time with your family? You know, family is more important than the material thing. About family is the second commandment in the Bible. First, the first commandment is love God all your heart, in all your soul, and the second is about the family. You know, while our family, our parent, our sister, brother, like that, while they are around, still alive, we need to find time to bonding with them so that we're not regret when they are gone. We don't have time to spend our time with them. Me, I don't have parents anymore because my father died when I was only 6 years old. I don't even remember what my father looked like, but they always telling me that I look like my father when my father is still alive, because I'm a papa's girl also. My mother died when I was 19 years old, 30 years ago. That's why I don't have time to spend time with them, to bonding with them, because they are not around anymore. I'll miss them, but what to do? Ever since I was a kid, I growing up all alone, because my brother and sister, we were not stay together also, because my sister, my older sister, they're married at the young age, and my two brother, they went to work in the other town. Everyone need to work so that we can survive because of our poverty. Me, I'm start working. I'm still almost 14 years old. I start working, and thanks God, by the grace and help of God, grace and mercy of God, until now I'm still alive. I pray that God will give me long life. I want to reach 80, between 80 to 90 years old. That's why I need to take care of my diet, my health, prioritize my health, because I want to live long, enjoy my life, even though I'm not rich in material thing, but I want to even a simple life. I can enjoy with a simple life. Thank you very much. Bye. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Sweet dreams. You know, I'm exercising my hand because of, so that my blood will circulate properly, especially my hand. My vein here is swollen because of the blood cannot circulate properly. Bye, guys. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. I love you all.